Just put toothpaste on the kitchen knife and you'll thank me for it. To start today's tip, we will use the bottom of a ceramic container, and then add 2 tablespoons of salt. The salt in this tip acts directly in contact with the knife and facilitates the process. Next, we will add also a small amount of vinegar. I'm sure you have already suffered from the use of knives that cannot perform a cut. With this tip becomes perfect. Now let's use a knife, and then put a small amount of toothpaste. We should spread it all over the knife. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Felix Hernandez from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I doubt you've ever seen this tip, and you'll be impressed by the result. After spreading all the toothpaste, now we should just pass the cutting part of the knife until sharpening fully. The ideal is to do the same way I'm doing, thus ensuring that we will have the ideal knife cut for use. I learned this tip from my farmer uncle, but I always noticed that I use toothpaste on knives and didn't know until I saw it being used this way. We must perform the same movement from both sides to bring the whole cut back to the knife. Then we should only perform a thorough wash on the knife to remove all excess toothpaste. After learning this tip, for sure will be the solution to cut all items in your kitchen, making this knife perfect for cuts, even meat. Now we will demonstrate the cut on a carrot. We can notice that very easily we can perform the complete cut. I suffered a lot using this knife, even for vegetable cuts. Now after using our tip, I have this knife as a new one. We can also cut an orange easily, even in very thin slices is possible. The cut of the knife is ideal, and also what makes it possible to do this way. Tell me after what the result had to do in your home. Would love to know if you succeeded. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.